Hello guys, in this video we will see Linux cut command with examples. Let's see the definition. Cut --- L. This is the syntax. Cut, then option, then we have to provide file name. It prints selected parts of lines from each file to standard output. See, if you don't provide anything, it reads standard input. Okay, see the options. These are the options. If you want to print bytes, then we have to use B option. -C, which means for characters, to print by characters. If we want to use delimiter, then we have to use -D. Delimiter means spaces or comma or colon or hyphen, anything is there in file, we can filter based on these delimiters. -F means these fields like table structure. We can get the data from table structure. Complement. We can give the any symbols in the output. This is -S means it's only for delimited. -G means 0 terminated. -version means we can get the version of cut command. Let's clear this one. I'm going to use the file staff.txt. cat staff. See, file contains these columns. These are the columns or fields. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth and last sixth column. If you want to get only first column, then use the command cut -F. -F means fields 1, then file name. See, it has printed only first column or first field of the file. The same way, if you want to get only the fourth one, this is the fourth field. If you want to get only fourth field, cut -F 4, then file name. We got the output of the fourth field of this file. Suppose if you want to get third and fourth columns, then cut -F. -F means type of the option. 3, 4, then file name. See, we got the third and fourth columns or fields of the file. In the same way, if you want to get from second to sixth columns, then use the cut -F 2 to 6. If you don't give any option, it will print all the columns from the second field. We will see that in next example. See, we got all the fields except first one. We can get the same output by using remove this 6. So it will print from second to last. Okay. Next option is -B. -B means it prints output in number of bytes. Cut -B. -B is the option for bytes. Then -5, then file name. See, it prints output until 5 bytes. In the same way, cut -B 5 minus staff. So this will print from the 5th byte onwards. See, the output is different. Cat staff. See the file. Okay. Next option is -C. -C means characters. Cut -C 5 staff. See, fifth character is 1. Let's verify. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, fifth character is 5. If you want to get from sixth character onwards, then use command cut -C 6 then staff. See, it printed output from the character number 6 onwards. The same way, if you want to print from the 6th to 20th, then use the command 6th to 20. See, printed from character 6th to 30th of the file staff.txt. Next option is delimiter. Let's verify what it will do. See, delimiter. Use delimiter instead of tab for field delimiter. See. Let's see how it is, how it will be. First, see the file. Suppose if I want to print after this first hyphen, cut -d, then quotes. In the quotes, we have to provide delimiter type. Delimiter can be hyphen, underscore, space, or colon, -f, then field name. Here field name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So field name is 2. Then file name. So what it will do? It will print only this. It will print only these characters, which means it prints after delimiter and before the next delimiter. Press enter. See, it printed only this one, which means it printed after the first delimiter and before the next delimiter. Suppose if you want to print from the first delimiter to end, then use the same command, cut -d, in quotes, give the delimiter type, -f, then column name, second field to end of the file and file name. See, it printed from the first occurrence of delimiter to end of the line. In real time, we can use to get list of the users by using the cut command. Get ent pass wd, which contains user information. Then filter, then cut. First, let's verify the contents of this pass file. Let's verify list of the users and their groups and permission and home directory details. Get ent pass wd. See, these are the, let's consider, see, this is the user and these are the group names and this is the home directory and bash type. Suppose if I want to get only this username, then use cut command with this, then filter, cut -d, delimiter type is colon and field is first one. See, I got all the list of the users in my current operating system. Let's verify. Tail -5. See, these are the last 5 users. Let's run the same one and limit the output up to last 5 users. See, I got only the usernames. Use this command to get most frequently used commands from your Linux terminal. See, these are the most frequently used commands in my terminal. So in this video we have seen what is Linux cut command, then syntax of Linux cut command, then examples of Linux cut command with all the options. For more Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.